This house was in so much need of repair. I mean, how it looked before, it was in shambles. Foundation repairs had caused so many damages to the floors, to the walls, so the ceilings were falling down. This project is part of the City of Denton Home Improvement Program, which offers homeowners an opportunity to repair their homes. We do everything from small repairs to very large repairs. And when the house can't be repaired, we can also demolish it and build it new. I drove up to this house after the new windows had been put in. I almost didn't recognize that we almost drove past it. Then of course inside, it's night and day. Since the beginning of the program, we've assisted with over 379 projects, 300 rehabs, which are repairs, and 79 reconstructs. This program has revitalized neighborhoods and it's increased property values across the city. Anyone who's interested in the program, all they need to do is give us a call at the City of Denton at 940-349-7726. It all starts with a call.